design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your ultimate source for making every corner of your home stunning. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, let's diving into a fascinating and often challenging home style, the split-level home. With its distinct staggered floors, this architectural classic from the mid-20th century presents a unique puzzle for interior design. You might be living in one, or perhaps you're considering buying one. And you're wondering, how do I make these multiple short flights of stairs and segmented spaces truly shine? In today's video, we're going to unlock the design potential of the split-level home. We'll cover everything from understanding its architecture to the best decorating strategies. By the end of this, you'll be ready to transform your split level into a masterpiece of modern multi-tiered living. Let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by a split-level home. Unlike a traditional two-story house with one long staircase, a split-level home, also known as a tri-level or bi-level, features staggered floor levels. Typically, when you enter the main door, you are on a central level, often containing the living room, dining room, and kitchen. From this point, you have two short sets of stairs, one leading up to the sleeping quarters, the bedrooms and bathrooms, and another leading down to the lower level, which usually houses a garage, a family room, or a utility space. The interior is characterized by these distinct, short staircases connecting different zones of the house. This design creates a unique sense of separation and flow, where different activities living, sleeping, and working are clearly demarcated, yet remain in close proximity. Understanding this layout is the first step to mastering its interior design. Why do people love split levels? Well, they come with some fantastic design and functional benefits. One of the biggest advantages is the clear separation of zones. This layout is brilliant for families or multi-generational living because it provides privacy without feeling completely disconnected. You can have a lively gathering on the main and lower levels, while the bedrooms remain quiet and secluded on the upper level. This is something traditional homes often struggle with. Another major benefit is the visual interest and dynamic flow created by the multiple sightlines. Instead of a flat, predictable floor plan, the split levels offer height variations, making the space feel more architectural and less monotonous. This also means more walls for art and more opportunities for dramatic lighting. Finally, split levels often have shorter staircases, which can be an advantage over the long, arduous climbs in a standard two-story home, making daily movement easier and sometimes feeling safer. They truly offer a unique balance between open concept and defined spaces. Now, for the fun part, decoration. The key to a successful split-level interior is creating a sense of cohesion across the different levels and highlighting the verticality. First, focus on staircase and railing upgrades. The staircase is the literal and visual connector of the entire home. Replace heavy, closed railings with modern, open designs like glass, sleek metal balusters, or minimalist wire cables. This instantly opens up the sightlines and allows light to flow freely between the levels, making the whole house feel larger and more connected. Next, aim for visual consistency with flooring and wall color. While the levels are separate, the eye needs a continuous path. Use the same flooring material, whether it's hardwood, laminate, or carpet, across all visible main and upper levels to tie the spaces together. Similarly, choose a cohesive color palette. Perhaps a neutral base color that flows from the main floor up to the bedrooms, and then use different accent colors or textures in each room for personality. Lighting is absolutely crucial because light often has to travel through the different open spaces. Incorporate layered lighting. Use dramatic statement pendant lights or chandeliers in the main entry or over the dining area to draw the eye up. Then, use recessed lighting and floor lamps to evenly illuminate the lower levels and family rooms, which often suffer from less natural light. Finally, master the art of transitional design moments. At the landing of each short staircase, use a unique piece of furniture, a gallery wall, or a large mirror to create a dedicated moment of design. This prevents the area from feeling like a forgotten hallway and turns the transition into a focal point. Certain items are practically made for the split-level layout and can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal and flow of the space, because you often look down into the main living areas from the upper level. It is highly recommended to invest in low-profile furniture, such as sleek, mid-century modern, or contemporary sofas and chairs, as this prevents tall pieces from blocking sight lines and helps maintain an open, airy feeling across the levels. Furthermore, embrace the height variations of the architecture by selecting vertical decor, specifically tall, slender shelving units or dramatic floor-to-ceiling drapery, which emphasize the verticality and draw the eye upwards. Since the layout naturally lacks traditional wall separation, large, well-defined area rugs are essential for visually grounding and defining the function of each zone, clearly marking the living room, dining area, and lower-level family room. Finally, utilize dramatic lighting fixtures. Oversized chandeliers or long, sculptural pendant lights suspended in the stairwell void are the perfect way to turn a purely functional transition space into a stunning piece of art and a major focal point for the entire home. The split-level home, with its inherent segmentation, offers an incredible opportunity to create a multi-dimensional, exciting living space. By focusing on connection through consistent materials, strategic lighting, and smart, low-profile furnishings, you can transform your multi-level home from a design challenge into a beautiful, functional, and visually dynamic place you'll love coming back to every day. So, what are your favorite split-level design hacks? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more guides and inspiration to make every corner of your home look its absolute best. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.